worried that your learners are bored by your online courses? You're stuck in a terrible place where learners fall asleep, don't finish the content, and walk away without learning anything. You want to get away from producing knowledge dumps, but you don't know where to begin. Imagine courses that excite and engage and add so much value that your learners want to come back for more. Courses so impactful that your learners tell everyone how great they are. If you're a course creator that sells their courses online, this means audience transformation, social proof, referrals, and ultimately more sales. If you are involved in organizational training, this means helping your company to solve problems and achieve their goals. Hello, promotion! At Learn to Flourish, our motto is e-learning, inspiration, and innovation. We create e-learning that fires up the brain and enables results. We understand how hard it can be to create great courses. There's so much to know about how the human brain works, graphic design, and course content structuring, not to mention the technical skills required to create interactive e-learning, video, audio, animation, and other multimedia elements. We know this from 20+ years of experience and thousands of online learning elements created. We can help you. Innovative organizations hire us to create custom online courses and training videos. We also offer workshops and coaching for organizations and course creators to get you creating your very best online courses. Help free the world from boring online courses. Let's chat about how Learn to Flourish can support you. Schedule your free call now. Stop losing your audience's attention. Put out learning that inspires, engages, and sticks. Schedule your free call now. Let's get you moving towards e-learning, inspiration, and innovation.